Welcome back. We're getting in breaking inputs from Kashmir. In fact, we are learning that 5 soldiers have been injured after terrorists opened fire this on an IAF convoy in the Surankot area of Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. This is the big breaking input that we are bringing to you. Counter-terror operations are also currently underway. This after the Poonch terror attack that's taken place. At least 5 soldiers have been injured. This after militants opened fire on 2 vehicles. One belonging to the Indian Air Force in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. This happened a while ago. In fact, let's quickly go across to Tejinder, who's joining me on the phone line. Tejinder, what are you learning from your sources as far as the condition of these 5 soldiers is concerned?
See, all the injured have been evacuated to the army hospital where they are undergoing treatment. We are told that the situation of three of the injured Jawan is critical, but they are being looked after by the army personnel. They have been airlifted to the command hospital in Udhampur where they are under treatment. At around 6:15 p.m., we are told that some vehicles of the Indian Air Force, accompanied by the vehicles of the local Rashtriya Rifle Unit, they were attacked by the terrorists in the Shastar area in the Surankot Tehsil of the Poonch district. They were attacked from multiple directions. If you see those pictures which CNN News 18 have accessed, clearly shows that this Air Force vehicle was targeted by the terrorists from multiple directions, in which 5 Jawans of the Indian Air Force they were injured. We are told that the army and the Air Force, they retaliated to the fire, but the terrorists who carried out this terror attack managed to flee from the spot. A massive manhunt was also launched, and a brief exchange of gunfight between the terrorists and the security forces also happened after this attack. But now we are told that those terrorists, they somehow have managed to give security forces a slip. But right now, a massive manhunt has been launched. Additional forces of the army, the special operation group of the Jammu and Kashmir police, and paramilitary CRPF have reached the spot, and the combing operation is going on in this area. If you remember, last year there was a similar kind of terror attack in the Surankot area, just some distance away from this spot, wherein the army vehicle was targeted by the terrorists, in which 5 army personnel attained. They were killed in action. Following which, there was another terror attack in which another set of 5 para commandos of the elite Indian Army, they also were killed in action. So there have been large-scale terror incidents in Poonch, Rajouri.
Right.
If just last week there was a terror attack in the Shadra Sharif area of Rajouri, in which one civilian was killed by the terrorists. So the security forces are also concerned with the increase of terror activities in the twin bordering districts of Poonch and Rajouri in Jammu region. Yes.
Absolutely. In fact, I'm going to also bring in Akash, who's staying with us on the newscast as well. Taking that point forward, Akash, do shed light on how, in fact, we've only seen a rise in terror attacks when it comes to Poonch and Rajouri areas of Kashmir.
Right. So last year we saw a series of incidents, but this year, when we talk about this year, so initial months were peaceful, but now today we have seen this incident where 5 airmen have been injured. This is what we are learning. In fact, Tejinder has been reporting from there, and he has been talking about the kind of search operation that has been launched by Indian Army and also Jammu Kashmir Police. As of now, we are learning. In fact, sources are telling that out of these 5 injured airmen, some are critically injured as well. But clarity is still needed, and that's the reason why we are waiting for Indian Air Force statement as well. Also, we have been told that this was a convoy where technical staff was there. This staff is taking care of the radars and all the equipment of the Indian Air Force there in the area, and they were the vehicles were fired upon, and in this attack, 5 personnel have sustained injuries. In fact, some are critically injured. But as far as figures are concerned, so we are waiting for the official statement by the Indian Air Force. Also, as far as this area is concerned, so Akanksha, you see Poonch, Rajouri, and in fact the Surankot in between of these two areas. We have seen a number of incidents last year in 2023, where in the April month we had the ambush on army truck Then in Surankot itself, Tejinder was talking about the attack that was launched here in Surankot area itself. So we have seen a number of incidents, and one terror outfit that is an offshoot of Jaish-e-Mohammed, is somewhere responsible for all these attacks. And in fact, talking about the Indian Army and the deployment in that area, so it was intensified last year. But yes, today this attack has happened, and as of now, talking about the current conditions, so army has area. In fact, search
Right.
operation is on, but sources are telling us that after a brief contact, it seems terrorists have
Right.
escaped taking cover of the darkness in the terrain.
All right, and thank you, Akash and Tejinder, for bringing in all those inputs. And as was highlighted by Akash, that we still await a statement coming in from the Indian Air Force and the Army. But for now, it's time for a quick break. We'll keep a hawk's eye on all those developments that have currently taken place. Stay tuned to CNN News 18.